Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the camera on UMX cell phone. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Okay. Please, every time you open an electronic device, please wear one of these anti-static bracelet. Okay, and we're gonna use, I have two magnetics to put my screwdrivers, and I need a Phillips screwdriver and twistlers. Okay, so we're gonna remove the back cover here. You see this little space, you just go here. I work a lot with my nails, so I have a little box here, so I'm gonna put everything here, okay? And also I am wearing this magnetic glass. It helps me a lot. You can buy it online, on eBay. So then we remove the battery, okay? Put it in the box, and don't forget to remove the SIM card. Okay, SIM card. And now we need to remove 16 screws, 16. So we're gonna start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There is 16. I missed one. Okay, already. Okay, 16 screws, and we're gonna stick it here. Okay, so we start from here. Okay, as you see, this is my last screw to remove. Okay. I'm sorry, here is one more. Yeah, 16 screws, okay? 16, okay? So I got it here, 16. Okay, so this is the model. It's a UMX U693CL, okay? So now we're gonna remove this plastic. The easy way is when I use a lot my nail, so you just go like this right here. See? And then I go to the other side. See? Look, so fast, so easy. Okay? And from here, so this is the camera. We need to remove the motherboard. So we have to disconnect 1, 2, 3, 4 cables. Be very careful with this, okay? Because this is soldered. This cable is soldered there, so we need to remove the screws, disconnect the cables, and then move it like this to remove the camera, okay? So let me remove the screws. That's why I have another magnetic. So that way I don't get confused with the screws, because this one, I think these are a little bit different. So 4 screws. Okay. I'm trying to not make my video super long, so there is times where I will pause my. Okay, so now I remove the 4 screws, we put it right here, and then we're gonna remove these ones. One right here. This one is this little black cable, and then this one, and then this tiny one. Okay, you see this tiny one, so we're gonna use this screwdriver to push up the clip. See? Okay. Be very careful, don't break the cable, okay? And then we need to pull this cable, okay, like that. And then we're gonna try to remove the motherboard. Okay, so just go here with this flat screwdriver and twist it, okay? And then we have to flip the motherboard. Watch this cable, okay? Be careful. And from here is the camera. See, so this is the cable that we need to disconnect. Okay. Okay. So that's how you disconnect it. So now let me bring the other camera. Okay. And just make sure the tape is. This is a used camera, but this one is working. The other one that was attached, it wasn't working. So, okay, make sure it's connected right, because we're going to screw the motherboard back. Okay, so now watch these cables and put it back. Okay, make sure these cables are out of the motherboard. You see this solder cable, I didn't move it. So now let's try to push the motherboard back. Okay, it needs to click a little bit, so just to make sure it's inside. Okay, you see the little clip right here? Because if you leave it open, then when you close everything, it doesn't fit. Okay, so now let's connect the cables. One, make sure it's well connected. Two, okay, and this one cable is very important. Be careful with this one also. That's why I use my magnified glasses and a lot of light. Okay, so now the most difficult one. This one is a little bit difficult, but as you see, this little clip should be up, okay, up. And then just bend it here and then push it. You see I don't know, you can see the white line here. That should be touching the black plastic here. So that way you know it's well connected. And then close the clip right here. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put back make sure the cables are connected. Everything is nice. Okay, so now let's put the silver screws back, okay. I like to use a magnetic screwdriver, so much easier. Okay. Be careful with these little screws, because sometimes they jump and you don't see them again. Okay. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, because I'm not working in these times, because I injure myself. I am a bus boy, and I injure my ligament under my foot, so I cannot walk. I can walk, but in my job is so much walking, so I cannot work for like 8 hours every day. Okay, so now that I put so if you subscribe, that will help me a little bit. Okay, so now let's put this cover back, and we almost finished. So make sure it locks here first, okay, and then go back. Then the other part right there. Okay, so now let me put the screws back. Okay, the other 16 screws. I'm gonna start from here. Okay, so this is my last screw. Okay, so now don't forget to insert the SIM card. Okay, you know this corner, so goes right here. I don't know if you can see it. Go like this. Okay, push it, and that's it. Now let's put the battery. Okay, now let's put the cover. I don't know if it's charged or not. Okay, so the phone wasn't charged. Okay, everything you do, I mean, not everything you do, I mean, thank you so much for watching my video. Check my other videos. Please give me a like, and like I said, subscribe. That will help me a lot, because like I said, I injured my foot, and I'm not working for 6 months so far, but I will be okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.